The House Quad Committee is set to resume its hearings on extrajudicial killings and illegal drugs this week. Here's a report.
House Quad Committee Overall Chairman Ace Barbers said Senator Bato de la Rosa should not lead the Senate's probe into the drug war. This echoes the previous statement of Senate President Chase Escudero.
The most logical thing to do, no? Dapat mahirap naman kasi na imbestigahan mo yung sarili mo sa sarili mong komite, no? Kung ikaw ang inaakusahan, no? And this goes the same to all others that are being accused, no? Ano kaya magiging resulta ng committee report kapag ganon?
De la Rosa and Senator Bongo were among those implicated by former PCSO head Rowena Garba in her testimony. Garma alleged that the two lawmakers are involved in the reward system under the previous administration's drug war. Barbers, though, said he respects the parallel investigation by the Senate to be led by the Blue Ribbon Committee, but...
And the same testimony ang ilalabas nila, parang sa tingin ko, parang hindi na siguro dapat anuhin yan, bigyan ng kumbaga ng weight, no? But again, karapatan nila yan, and the rules does not prohibit, no, yung ganyang klaseng parallel investigation. So we will respect that.
The lawmaker denied reports that they will also include Vice President Sara Duterte in the investigation. The House Quad Committee will resume the hearing on extrajudicial killings tomorrow and on illegal drugs by Wednesday.
Yun. So, officially, in-invite na nila si PRRD kasi there were talks lang before. Diba? And initially also, sinabi ng partido ni PRRD na hindi sila attend unless magbibigay sila ng educated questions. Pero ngayon, over the weekend, nung nagpa-interview itong si former President Rodrigo Duterte kay Sal Panelo dun sa kanyang radio show, radio program, Attorney Sal, sinabi niya na, sige, attend ako, sasabihin ko na lahat ng mga nalalaman ko kasi sinasabi niya, ni-reiterate niya yung sinasabing, ang tawag doon, yung matrix, di ba? Yung mga bayaran na allegedly na mga reward system dito nga sa operasyon ng drug war, ay sinasabi hindi totoo. Dahil ang mga binibigay lang daw niya sa police ay good job, pat at the back, at saka pakain daw.
Actually, ang gusto tignan natin dito is the role of a sitting president with regards to giving was it a direct order to kill, or was it simply an order to go on a full-out war on drugs, tapos pag ganang laban patayin mo. And plus yung budget of the Office of the President. Number one, as we all know naman, we cannot really audit that line by line. But ang gusto kasi ni Congressman Dan Fernandez na interview siya, let's have another mechanism that strengthens the way we audit the budget from both the OVP and the President, and how tight yung pag-release natin ng confidential funds.
That's why they're going to ask help, assistance from AMLAC para dito sa mga pera, yung flow ng cash, no, during his term, 'di ba? Kasi sinasabi nila, una, baka daw nanggaling yung reward system sa confidential fund ng presidente. Pangalawa po, pwede nanggaling sa mga small town lottery, sa mga pogo, etc. So that's why they need
baka
to
galing daw sa PCSO.
So that's why they need to see yung cash flow.
Hence,
and then doon makikita kung sinong mga nabigyan, baka may mga key figures tayong makita.
Bakit nila naisip PCSO? Kasi nandyan po si
Garma at that time.